guys, it's me, Kata, and today I will be showing you my craziest color combination. Let's go! So I have Elmer's glue, contact lens solution, food coloring, baking soda, a big bowl, and some 3 sticks. Alright, now I have some glue in this bowl. It's time to put baking soda. Now we put contact solution. And now it's time to get in with your hands. Oh yeah. Alright, now that it's done, it's time to mix some colors in. Whoa. Alright, I'm gonna stop there. Ooh. And now we'll mix red and yellow. Sunset-y. And blue and yellow. Oh, I like this one the best. Wow. Now, I want to try something. Rainbowy! It's so beautiful. All right, it's swirl time. Oh my goodness. That is so cool. Oh yeah. It is so pretty. Hi. Oh. I think it might turn purple. One more swirl.